Myself Kanagaraj from FANUC India, representing robot division. So we are the leading manufacturer of robots and cobots and supply to various customers for various application. And what are the cobot you are seeing? It is specially for MIG welding application, as well as we can use for other areas. And we have loaned the Cobot to Kavin Inc, who is one of the leading integrator in Coimbatore region, especially for MIG welding and TIG welding application. And the specialty of the Cobot is it works with the operator, and it is a human friendly, and whenever you touch it stop very precisely, and it assures a safety for everyone. And also it gives a smooth feel whenever you operate the Cobot by using your hand, and whenever you pull it comes to your hand, and programming will be very easy by making the Cobot. And the Cobot is mainly suitable whenever you have a low volume and high mix, so where the operator can able to program the Cobot easily by using the buttons on the Cobot arm by moving it. That is a unique advantage of Cobot what you can able to get from our FANUC Cobot. And it is very easy to weld, and we have a tablet teach pendant, and with this through lead through programming, the person can able to teach by using a click and drag method, and there is no skill required for person to program the Cobot. Okay, so that is where you are getting unique advantage of Cobot for welding application. So thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.